Welcome to Propel. I'm Martin, and I'll walk you through on everything there's to know about creating your own custom queries so that you can capture the most relevant media coverage for your brand or client. Boolean operators are the building blocks of your queries. Let's go through the most often used ones. First, we have the AND operator. This helps narrow your search by finding mentions that contain both of the terms you're looking for. For example, if you want results that include both the White House and President, you would use. This way, you'll only get results that mention both terms together. Next, we have the OR operator, which broadens your search. It finds mentions containing either one term or the other, or even both. And to narrow it down even further, there's AND NOT. This excludes any mentions with the unwanted term. Want to find words that are close to each other? That's where proximity search comes in. You can specify how many words apart two terms should be. For instance, to find mentions where Boston and Celtics are within 5 words of each other, you'd type. This is useful when you're looking for ideas closely related in the same context. The asterisk wildcard operator is perfect when you're unsure about the full word or want to include variations. For example, if you're looking for terms like physiology or physiotherapy, you could use. This will pull up any mentions with words that start with physio. Similarly, the question mark wildcard operator replaces just one character. Need to group terms together? Use parentheses. Let's say you're searching for mentions of Michael Jordan in either the Bulls or Wizards. You could type. Now, you'll only see results that mention Jordan along with either of those teams. Want results from a specific website? Use source domain. For example, to find mentions from whitehouse.gov, simply use. This is great when you want to focus on mentions from a particular site. Need to filter results by location? Use the source location country operator to limit results to specific countries by typing. And don't worry, you don't need to memorize these operators. Every time you set up an alert, you'll find a quick guide on the right, telling you all you need to know about the relevant operators, along with examples on how to use them. With these powerful Boolean operators at your fingertips, you're ready to set up targeted alerts. Now let's use these building blocks to create queries. Here are some general rules for writing queries. Search terms are case insensitive. Always write Boolean operators like AND, OR, and NOT in uppercase. Using lowercase will result in an error. Search terms with multiple words must be enclosed in quotation marks. For example, President Lincoln will ensure you search for the entire phrase, not just individual words. Let's go over some common query examples to get you started. Want to track mentions of 2 topics together? This will find all mentions that include both the terms Uber and ride-sharing. Need to exclude unrelated mentions. This will find mentions of the Red Sox and baseball, but exclude results mentioning the word color. For more complex monitoring needs, use advanced Boolean logic and operators like this one. Let's break this down. This query searches for mentions of Uber combined with related services like Uber Eats, Uber ride-sharing, and Uber drivers. The query also looks for mentions of Uber, specifically on Uber's official website. The phrase Uber rides ~6 tells the query to look for instances where the words Uber and rides appear within 6 words of each other. This helps capture variations of the term, like Uber offers rides, or rides available via Uber. The filter AND NOT Germany excludes any results that mention Germany, so you won't get results from or about Germany. The last filter ensures that only mentions in the English language are shown. That's it. You're now equipped to create powerful queries to track precise media coverage. For more tips and tutorials, check out our playlist or contact support. Thanks for watching.